Hey guys, welcome to another video. So far we have seen that how can we navigate to different routes or different links using the link component and the navlink component. But what if we have to navigate to different routes programmatically? How can we do that? Okay, let's see one example. Okay, so this is my plain and simple site. Okay, this is a React router, this is the nav bar, and this is the simple home text. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do something. Okay, let's see. Okay, so on my home page, let's just remove this and I'm gonna add a button. Okay, let's add a h1 tag as well. Home, and on this button, I'm gonna write check products. Let's save this, and you can see this. So what I want to do is when I click on this check products, I must be redirected to the or I must be transferred to the slash products page slash products routes. How can we do that? So obviously we're gonna add a on click event. Okay, on click event, and we're just gonna uh, handler. Okay, I'm just gonna name it handler. Okay, I'm gonna define it here, const handler. Okay, so React Router DOM provides a hook, which is import use navigate from React Router DOM. Now this use navigate hook, it returns a function navigate const navigate is equals to use navigate. Now with the help of this navigate, we can transfer our user to any specified route that we want. So in the handler, I'm gonna write this navigate function. How I'm gonna do that? I'm gonna say navigate to the products page. Simple. You have to pass the route that you want the user to be sent to in the navigate. Let's save this and let's see if it works. I'm gonna click on check products, and there you go. I'm sent on products page. So this is how you can programmatically uh, transfer. See, this is a simple app. Okay, we have just only two routes, but in large projects there are going to be multiple routes. And suppose there is a place order and order summary page. When a person clicks on place order, then he's going to be redirected to the order summary page. So that's where we can use this navigate functionality. You have to simply just pass the path or the route that you want your user to be gone to in the navigate. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.